Imagine creating stunning 4K images in mere seconds on a regular laptop. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Nvidia's new AI model, Sana, has made it real. This AI breakthrough promises to change the game for digital creators, delivering high-quality images without the need for expensive, high-end hardware. But is Sana really all it's cracked up to be? Stay tuned, because today, we're diving deep into Sana's technology, strengths, and the challenges it still faces. Trust me, you don't want to miss what comes next. To understand why Nvidia Sana is a big deal, let's look at where AI image generators have been falling short. Models like Stable Diffusion produce incredible results, sure, but they need a powerhouse setup. We're talking high-end GPUs, hefty memory, and some serious patience, as even top-tier hardware can take several minutes to generate a single image. Nvidia looked at this challenge and thought, why not make this more accessible? Why can't anyone create 4K images quickly, even on standard laptops? And just like that, Sana was born, promising top-notch images without top-notch hardware. But how does it manage this feat? Sana achieves this with three standout innovations, each designed to make image generation faster and more efficient. The first game changer? Nvidia's Deep Compression Autoencoder. Think of this as an ultra-advanced zipper for images. It compresses data down to just 3% of its original size without losing any detail, so Sana can process and render visuals incredibly quickly. Imagine taking a high-res image, squashing it to the size of a postage stamp, and still seeing every detail when you open it back up. Impressive, right? This innovation cuts down on memory requirements, giving Sana a major speed advantage. But that's not all that makes Sana unique. The second core innovation is the Gemma 2 LLM, which powers Sana's ability to interpret text prompts. Most image generators rely on complex encoders, which are notorious for slowing things down. Gemma 2, however, is faster and still captures the right mood and lighting. So, whether it's a sunset over misty mountains or a surreal scene with robots, Sana's got you covered. Ever typed a prompt into AI and gotten back, well, something totally unexpected? Gemma 2 keeps your prompts from becoming wild guessing games. Let's hope anyway. And finally, the third innovation, the Linear Diffusion Transformer LDT. Unlike traditional models that rely on complex steps to clear image noise, LDT speeds up the process by taking a more direct route to the final image. With this streamlined approach, Sana generates high-quality 4K images in under 10 seconds. Transition to real-world testing. So, we know the technology is impressive, but can it actually deliver in the real world? Let's look at some tests that reveal Sana's true strengths and a few surprising limitations. Real-world performance and user impact. In real-world tests, Sana has wowed users by producing 4K images at incredible speed. For example, a prompt for a hand-drawn illusion of a giant spider chasing a woman in the jungle came out detailed, eerie, and stylistically perfect. But when tasked with generating text on an image, like displaying the word decrypt on a TV screen, Sana stumbled, producing garbled results. Turns out, even this AI has its kryptonite. Looks like AI hasn't mastered spelling yet. Who would have thought, right? Still, Sana's speed and efficiency are unmatched. For content creators, designers, and developers on a budget, this model opens up a world of creative possibilities without the need for costly tech. But what about Sana's open source release? How could that change everything for AI developers? The open source factor and future implications. Nvidia's choice to make Sana open source marks a huge shift. This means developers can tweak, optimize, and even build their own versions of the model. And just like Stable Diffusion, an entire community could spring up around Sana, each version getting better and faster. Think of it like a recipe that everyone can perfect without asking grandma for permission. However, going open source comes with risks. Without built-in safeguards, the model could be used in unintended ways. Nvidia hasn't yet shared if they'll include restrictions, so the community will need to manage this carefully. But one thing is certain, the AI landscape is about to get even more interesting. So, with all these developments, where does this leave artists and digital creators? Impact on creators and final takeaways. With easy access to tools like Sana, independent creators can now compete with the big leagues. The ability to create high-res images on consumer hardware could democratize digital art, but it raises questions. Will the ease of AI-generated art lead to a flood of content, or can it coexist with human creativity? The debate rages on. Do we think AI is stealing creativity, or just lending us a superpowered paintbrush? In the end, Nvidia Sana offers an inspiring blend of accessibility, innovation, and creative potential. It's fast, powerful, and a glimpse into the future of AI-driven artistry. If you're excited to see where this tech goes next, make sure to subscribe, because there's more to come. Let us know in the comments. Would you use an AI like Sana? And don't forget to check out our next video to stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of AI. Thanks for watching.